Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Rabshan and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am going to review Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as you can see on your screen. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our channel, click on bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So keep watching this video till end. In this video I will review the small specification all about this phone, so you have to know its drawbacks, its feature, its good qualities. So keep watching this video till end and let the review begin. First of all, I would like to explain its main highlight. It has 6.4-inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 6 GB RAM and 4000 mAh battery, which is great to see. And now come to the Android. It has Android 8.1 audio. Now come to its three variant. One is 64 GB, other is 128 and other is 256 GB. Micro SD card slot is also available in Note 9. So now let's talk about its detailed specification. Samsung always lead everyone with Galaxy Note series, and now new number Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is on its way with hell of looks which are beyond your thoughts that what they are going to do with all other brands like Huawei, LG, etc. Next in line, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 leaked for too much time. Now Samsung Note 9 design is also revealed, showing that bezels on the sides are almost gone, while the legendary edges on side of Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is outstanding, but still you will get some looks of Note 8 in the phone. Stylus Pen incoming with more color option as compared to previous phone. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 launch in getting closer, and it is speculated that this time they will launch it earlier as compared to the past year. Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus hit the shelves, but now a new best Samsung Galaxy Note 9 by Samsung is going to add more fun in smartphone world because of its next generation technology. I am talking about the under-screen fingerprint scanner with which Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is going to get for itself. It was expected that device from 2017 will have this technology but skipped due to certain reason. But now Samsung Galaxy Note 9 inquires it for itself. 16.4-inch screen made up of Super AMOLED material, got QHD Plus resolution, is almost improved, and now it got 2.0 version for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Face scanning is improved with more accuracy in judging face to unlock the device. For 400 mAh battery is slightly bigger. Dual camera of Note 9 is consist of 12 megapixel primary sensor, where the front camera is 8 megapixel, which is great to see. Camera sensor is improved to enhance the quality of image taken at night. This is a short review of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, please subscribe our channel, click on bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. We upload a video of technology in one day, in gaming review, mobiles review, technology tips. So connect with us, you will be connected with the latest technology updates. For now it's ended. We will write back with new idea, with new technology, with new brands. So for now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.